our styling team's been doing this season and how our patterns relate to today's home fashion trends. As you know, looks are always changing. This year is all about transitional style. When we focus on the home today, it's not about one style, but a blend of styles that really feature the customer's personality and individuality. Looks like farmhouse, coastal, bohemian, they're all starting to blend together. So much so that it's even hard for us to keep it straight. Because they're using materials like white oak, Carrara marble, encaustic tiles, and mid-century elements that cross all these styles. So this season, what we tried to do was we've taken very traditional classic materials like this oak, like the marble, like the encaustic tiles and concrete. We put them into new layouts, we applied brand new finishes, and we created new looks that can accommodate both that modern and traditional consumer. So let's take a look around the booth to kind of give you an overview of what these styles look like. Our first pattern here is called Triumph. We all know that large, wide planks are still extremely popular in the marketplace because of those large expanses in the home. This is called Triumph, and it mixes 3 types of wood: maple, oak, and hickory. Our styling department did a wonderful job on this. They've created a very translucent, water-based stain that, when applied to the surface, really brings out the dimension, the characteristics, and the beautiful underglow that's inherent to all 3 of these types of wood. As you can see, when you see a full installation of it, it's a very cohesive look that could be perfect for any modern, traditional, or eclectic style. The next pattern I want to show you features white oak, very trendy material in the marketplace today. This is Prospect Park. Again, it uses a long, wide format, and as you can see, it uses new technology that we have here at Mannington. It has variable levels of staining, a matte finish, variable sanding, as well as wire brushing. This is such a beautiful product. It'll be fit with any room and any style that you choose to put it in. Moving to our restoration collection, laminate. We all know that reclaimed wood is still really popular in the marketplace because it's a way to add warmth and character to any installation. Well, this is called Station Pine, and it's a restored look of pine. As you can see, it has a beautiful balance of knot marks, and it has a variety of scraping that really add to its character. If you pair this with more of those contemporary lines of modern living, you'll have a fresh new take on country. Moving to our LVS category. Our next pattern really captures the coastal look. This is called Anchorage. As you can see, plank size is a 6 by 48 inch plank format that has a lot of bold variation and color variety. There's a lot of paint degradation, a lot of scraping that all adds to its character. If you pair this with dark walls and maybe marble countertops, you can create a very nice room that make you feel like you're on vacation. So moving to our Dora Apex section, this year it's all about tile and pattern formats. We all know that encaustic tiles and parquets are still really hot in the industry because it's a great way to kind of combine old with new. We have 2 patterns in here that really feature this trend. This is called Loft. A new format for us, 16 by 48. It features a mid-century parquet visual. We've been getting a lot of great response with this product, mainly because it's embossed and registered. Each slat of this white oak looks like it's hand set. This pattern has a lot of variation, and you would think because it has a nostalgic look that it's more traditional. But in fact, because of the colors, as you can see here at daybreak, these natural colors really speak more to that modern day consumer. Encaustic tiles have been very popular in the marketplace. It's a great pattern to add wow factor to any room. We have a new pattern here called Trellis in this black and white coloration. It combines this ornamentation that really speaks to the consumer. It's very hip, it's very now, and we think our customers are going to love it. So as you look around our booth, we're essentially creating backdrops that our customer can express their style and individuality, and even possibly change her mind, but she's still going to know that our floors are going to go with her style, and she won't have to compromise. So that's my trend presentation for today, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to stay tuned, we have Jimmy Tooley in the next presentation to kind of give you an overview of our Adore Apex category. So thanks for watching.